Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today's recipe is an instant pickle which is tempered. In this recipe, we are using onions, garlic and more oil. This is an instant pickle. In Telugu, we call it Noonurgai, Bisi Uppinkai in Kannada, and I call this just an instant pickle for you now. Let's begin the recipe. This pickle has more oil, approximately 100 ml. Oil is hot. Put some mustard seeds and some jeera, some hing and few garlic. Now I'm going to add in onions, mangoes and curry leaves. I will close the lid and allow it to cook. The flesh of the mango is soft. Now it's time to add all the powders: turmeric, chilli powder, roasted methi powder, roasted mustard powder, powdered jaggery and salt. In this recipe, the ingredients will vary, like jaggery, salt and chili powder will vary according to the tanginess of the mango. If it is more tangy, I am sure you need to add everything more. Otherwise, the amount what I showed should be sufficiently enough. This pickle has to be stored in refrigerator. It can stay good up to 15 days. I am sure you would finish before that. After adding all the spices, this has cooked well. I can turn off the flame and this is ready to serve. This goes well with all our breakfast recipes and with curd rice, chapatis and just rice and ghee. For more recipes, like and subscribe SBL Foods.